Welcome to Rannkly's tutorial on creating email templates. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create a customized email template for your campaigns. First, navigate to the Campaigns section by clicking on Campaigns in the top menu. Next, click on Message Template. On the right side, you'll find the option to create an email template. Click on Create Email Template. Now click on Create Custom Template. In the top right corner, fill in the input box with the template name. For example, let's name this template Diwali Offer Template. You can give it any name you prefer. Next, click on Block and select a block that fits your layout requirements. You can also change the background color to white or any color of your choice. Choose an image from your system and adjust the width and height according to your needs. Once again, go to the block section and drag a new block, just like we did in the previous step. Select an image from your system. Add a new block and drag the text content block to add text content to your email. Add one more block, this time for a button section. Change the color of the button and text to match your design. Finally, add an unsubscribe section, similar to how we created other blocks. And there you have it. Your email template is ready. Congratulations on creating your customized email template in Rannkly. You can now use this template for your campaigns.